We were working back on the 1.6 liter Toyota Corolla I have in my garage, doing the head gasket. I'll put links down in the description below or right up above somewhere. Just look around. I'll put some links to some videos I've already done. So what I have here is a straight edge. I'm just checking how flat this block is. I just got the head back from the machine shop, and I just want to see some high and low spots before and after I get all the old gasket off. So what you do, you have a feeler gauge. I have a feeler gauge here of 0.012 millimeters, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to move the flat edge around. What I'm going to do here, I'm going to move the flat edge around in different spots. So this will be one, this will be one. I'll do one here, 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 and I'll try to see if I have this enough clearance here, but then I can go this way as well. And what you do is you take your feeler gauge and you try to put it underneath between the head and your straight edge, and that shows you kind of where the high and low spots are. So I just wanted to check and see what the high and low spots are before and after I do the before I clean off the old gasket off the block. So here we go. We're doing the first diagonal. Nothing, 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 nothing there. Okay, let's go from this way. I'll put links down in the description below where you guys can pick one of these straight edges up. Well, a little low there, low on that side, and this also could be because of the remaining head gasket material on the block. A little bit, so I'll go like this. Nothing, nothing. So a little bit of warpage, not as flat as I thought it would be. But like I said, it could be because of the gasket material that's sitting on the head right now. Just want to get one down here. Okay, so it seems and appears to be kind of low on this side towards the radiator. So if you remember in the previous video, it was leaking right here in the head gasket. So it could have, I don't want to say warped, but let me clean this up real quick and we'll do this again. So always wear eye protection when you do this. Okay, right here in this corner, it looks like there's some major head gasket material left there. So instead of just sitting there and cranking down on the drill, or pushing really down on the brush with the drill, you get a scraper and try to scrape this off. Okay, so we'll get it off right there. Come back down on my drill. And like I said, I'm not pushing hard with the drill at all. I'm just, letting the drill rest there and guiding it. I'm not pushing down hard at all. Okay, so let's see. Let me hook up my compressed air. You can see right here the water jacket. There's a O-ring right here for the water jacket, and you can see it kind of it etched itself into the block. Still a little rough right there. Okay, let me fire up my air compressor. I'll blow this block off and then check for straightness again. Let's bring the straight edge back in. Hopefully that piece of material that was sitting on the block is what was making the readings inaccurate. One mistake I made when I was blowing the air out, I wanted to clean the, I'll actually go back and clean these again, but the holes where the head bolts go, you want to make sure those are nice and clean. So I'll go back, I'll put some brake cleaner down in there, get all that oil out, and then put a towel over it like there I did at the end, and then just spray it out with air, clean them out that way. I actually hit one that was full of oil, and you probably saw it come flying out. Yep, so taking off that material, the leftover head gasket material from the block, made all the difference. Let me go this way. I think I was getting some strange readings this way. So just a couple pointers when you do this. You don't want to, everything's good. The straight edge, everything, the flatness of the block is great. So you don't want to sit there and grind down on a specific area on the block. You just want to get the surface, you know, flat. That's more important than having it shiny. So make sure the surface is flat. I'll take some brake cleaner, run it over with a rag, wipe everything up. I don't necessarily need it shiny, like I said. I just want it flat and clean. And this straight edge helped me do it in the feeler gauge. So we are good to go. I'm going to come back in here, clean up the holes for the bolts, and then I'll put the head gasket on, and we'll put the head on today. One thing I want to show you guys real quick is how I clean out these bolt holes, the holes for the head bolts. So you have 10 of them, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and on the other side as well. So what I do, get yourself a can of O'Reilly's brake parts cleaner, okay? And you take out the little straw that comes on the side of the, right? Let me stick it in here. Right, stick it all in there. Get yourself a rag, so you don't want this blowing up in your face. Fill each hole up with brake parts cleaner. Get your compressed air, same thing. Put the rag over it, get it with some air. And that's how you clean the holes for the head bolts. All right. Hope this helped you out, guys. If you can, subscribe. I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers before 2023. So if this video has helped you save money, consider hitting that like button, and I will talk to you guys later.